Here we have the first outfit. I'm not sure what to think about this outfit. It's cute, but it has its flaws. So it's very comfortable for summer, but it's not quite for me, maybe. Let's start with the sneakers. These sneakers are Adidas. They're white and they have a little detail on blue in the back. The detail has the logo of Adidas. They are super, super white and super, super cute. I actually really, really like them. They are $95 and they run one size big. So I am normally size 9. These ones are size 8 and they fit me perfectly. And they actually look very, very pretty with this outfit, the skirt and the blouse. Let's move on with the skirt. This is a mini skirt. I don't really like it. I don't know. It has a little underline. As you see, it's very floral, very fluid. I don't like it because it kind of like have this lifting in here. Maybe somebody who has more straight hips, it will look better on them. But on me, it doesn't look that nice. This is by the brand BB Dakota. And this skirt is claimed to be perfect for spring and summer. It's $69 and it's size medium. It's not extremely sure I like that about it. But what I don't like is how it lifts in between my... See how it lifts in here and in here? I don't like that. Yeah, I don't think this skirt fits me properly. I think the girls in the picture are more flat in here. So the skirt looks much better on them. The last piece on this outfit is this tank top by the brand Maywell. This is $29.50. It is size medium and it's a lightweight material. It's in the color black. And this is the length of the blouse. I actually like the length of the blouse a lot. This is not my ideal neckline for blouses. It looks better on me some heart shapes or maybe a V shape because of the shape of my body. But I think this is a pretty blouse. I'm not sure I'm gonna keep it, but it's a pretty one. I mean, this outfit is a fail for me. I don't really like it that much, but I can see how a lot of people are gonna like this outfit. It looks super, super cute in the pictures and everything. It just doesn't look as nice on me personally, but I really like it in general. It just doesn't look nice in my body type. But the sneakers are divine. I love them. And here we have the outfit number 2. I actually really like how this looks like. I'm just not sure I'm going to be able to keep these shorts. I feel they're too short. The good news for them is that they are longer in the back. So they don't look super, super short in the back. So I kind of like that. They're a little longer in the back because in the front they're like cheeky, tiny, small. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna be allowed to wear this, just to be honest with you. These shorts are by the brand Good American. They have 25% off right now. The original price is $129, so right now they are 96.75 cents. They are size 8, but I don't like this. I don't know if you can see this. I don't know, the division between this side here and this one is kind of like there, and I don't like it. It looks horrendous. I mean, I'm already looking into things that I don't like about these shorts. Also, they gap a little bit on my waist, but not a lot. I don't know. Maybe I keep them. I'm not so sure, though. What do you guys think down there? Let me know. What do you think about these shorts? Should I keep them? Should I not? Should I return them? Should I just, I don't know, forget about them? And this is how they look in the back. They look pretty good in the back. Okay, so this is the blouse. I actually like the blouse, but I have an issue with it. It is too thick and we are already in a spring, summer here in South Florida. So it's going to be very, very difficult to wear this in summer. My summers are like 90, 100, 105 degrees. So this is going to be too hot for summer. I like the neck. Super, super pretty, but I don't think this is gonna work for me, so I'm just gonna not keep it. It's by the brand Free People and it's $68. It's just way too expensive. And this look is paired with the same tennis shoes, so in general the look is very, very cute. It's just not gonna work for my style. I have really, really hard time dressing myself in summer because I don't like to be too out of clothes, let's call it like that. This outfit came with these sunglasses, but I just don't like the shape of them. They look so pretty though. They are by the brand space. I think that's how you call it. And they are $59. Here we have outfit number 3, the same tennis shoes with this amazing dress. I'm gonna tell you guys, I'm in love with it. You know, this is the kind of dress that I like to wear. I look like a Coca-Cola, so I love them, even though I gained a little bit, a couple of pounds. Let me breathe about it, because I was in a perfect journey to lose some pounds, and life happened and I gained them back. Anyhow, I'm gonna go back to track pretty soon, but this dress is super, super stunning. Let me talk to you about it a little bit. This dress is by the brand BP, and right now it has a really, really good discount, so I'm definitely gonna keep this piece. It's originally $45 and right now has a 50% off, so it's $22.50. They also suggest to wear the sunglasses, the earrings, the sneakers, and the dress. I love this dress. I'm keeping it. It's just so stunning. I love everything about it. I feel so comfortable in it. I'm just gonna keep it. Booty, 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 raka, raka, wear. And this is how it looks in the back. It's just so stunning. I love it. Some extra pieces that I order, because you can add extra pieces to your bots. I ordered these leggings right here by the brand Buori. They are called daily leggings and they're $84 and they're in size medium. They fit me very, very well though, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep them because they are extremely, extremely expensive, but they look so stunning everywhere. The material of these leggings are stunning, soft and nice. I wish they were longer on me than what they are, but they are super, super high waist. As you see, you don't see my belly button. My belly button is right here. He also has these to tie the leggings in your waist. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep them though. They are super pretty, that's for sure. I really like how they look like. They had this print of camouflage in them. They are so, so pretty. I actually kind of want to keep them. I also added to my box these joggers. They sent me these joggers before in another box in color black. These ones are in color charcoal. They're also by the brand Duori. They are $84 and they're size medium. They are the most comfortable joggers you probably ever gonna try in your life. I'm not being exaggerating. This is the softest material ever. This will be my second pair. My first pair is black again. These ones are kind of like a charcoal color. They are super pretty. I like the color of this. It's so, so pretty. It looks so cute when you're wearing something like black or anything, because it's a very, very nice pop of color. Normally these ones are in the color of the joggers or the leggings, but these ones are a different color and they are stunning. Let me tell you, I really like them. Obviously not with this blouse. This blouse is a little like, you know, too loose. Putting the blouse away for you to see how it looks everywhere. These joggers are just stunning. Stunning. I love them. And the last piece that I add for my box is this suit right here. This is like a bike. The name of it is bike. So they're biker shorts, but they're obviously a complete outfit basically. I don't know. I kind of want to keep it, but it's a little too tight for me in my chest. I know the tatas needs to stay in place because this is meant to be for doing exercise and everything, but it is a little too restricted. This is by the brand Girlfriend Collective. They are $78 and they are size medium. Here in the front, they look a little bit okay, but in the back is where it creates an issues for me, like normally, because this is not getting in touch with my skin in here. So it's creating a gap. It looks a little weird in the back for me, so I don't really like that, and that's one of the reasons why I might not keep it. But I really like the concept of it. I like that it's no see-through whatsoever. The color is stunning. I wish it fits me better though. Unfortunately, it doesn't. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope that this video was entertaining for you, and if you like any of the items that I just showed in this video, down there in the description are gonna be all the links of the items that I showed you today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Again, give a big thumbs up if you did. Comment me down below which items of this haul you really, really like and you would like to buy. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!